morning, everyone. I am Hannah Felixabeth G. Abao, a second year BS IT student, and is now discussing to you the summarization of my essay. In my own understanding, the integrative programming is like a puzzle that connects different parts to make something work better. It is, I'd like to think of it as combining tools of programs and systems to so they can work together as a team. This technology is useful because the idea is very useful to technology because no single program can do everything. By making programs talk to each other, we create smarter and more efficient systems. Now, integrative programming for me is, for example, TikTok Shop, Shopee. By ordering, by purchasing an item on a shopping app, by choosing how we pay, by choosing a method how we pay that item, but through GCash, through PayPal, that is a integration that two apps can be connected at once by a single user. That is my understanding in the integrative programming uh, and real world systems. Another example is the transportation. We can nowadays we can order an Uber or a Grab driver, and by using Google Maps to locate our location by the driver, and a purchasing application where we pay our our money for the transportation. We can pay it through the GCash, or like pay it on a face-to-face encounter. That is the integrative programming for me, because the beauty of integrative programming is that it solves problems by making systems work together. And in integrative programming, it helps us combine tools like Messenger, where we send our picture. We use a camera, but at the same time, we use camera, and by what then the information will be processed through the Messenger app that sends our captured photo. So that alone is an integration. That is an example of the integrative programming that makes the making the work making making two things work. It's like a teamwork. Now, whether it is sending money online, tracking package, or turning off something, or tracking package, integration is behind the scenes, making it all happen. It's an important part of modern life, especially nowadays. It's all high tech. Everything is updated, up in time, and without the integrative programming, and without the integration, many of the convenience we enjoy today wouldn't exist. So, integrative programming is not just for programmers. It's for everyone because it makes the system we rely on work together. And the important, I think the important of the integrative programming is because it helps different programs, tools, systems work together to make our lives easier. And instead of using separate programs for each task, integration connects them so they can share information and work as a team. Because teamwork makes the dream work. This makes things faster, more efficient, and more convenient, like using one app to pay, like GCash or PayPal, track packages. Example for this is on Shopee. We can track where is our package being shipped to, or it is on delivery, and more convenient. Um, it it is also helpful in big systems like hospitals or business, where quick and smooth communication between programs can save time, money, and even lives. Without integrative programming, many of the modern convenience we enjoy wouldn't be possible. So it's all thanks for the integrative programming, because it makes our life more easier and more bearable than it already is. And my I am excited. The things about I'm excited or curious to learn in this subject uh, is that I want to understand how apps share information, like how a weather app gets updates, or how online stores process payments, how one click can process all the payments you need to do, how one click we can track our item being shipped to. I want to understand how it works, and I'm curious about how we can connect programs and other tools to make technology smarter and more useful. Learning this will help me build systems that can solve real world problems, and this will help me improve my possible career for the near future. And it's amazing to think about how integration powers so much of what we use today. That's all.